In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use summary blocks on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, go to Website Pages from your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can access the page you want to update. Once you are there, select the page where you want the summary block to appear. Then click Edit in the top left corner. This will open the page editor, so you can start making changes directly inside your layout. Next, move to the section where you want to place the block. In the top left area of that section, click Add Block and choose Summary. The summary block is useful because it lets you display content pulled from a collection page, such as a blog, store, events page, or portfolio. This makes it easy to showcase dynamic content in a clean, organized layout without rebuilding it manually. After adding the block, you will see blue borders around it. Drag and stretch these borders across the Fluid Engine grid until the block reaches the width and height you want. Fluid Engine gives you flexible control over placement, so take a moment here to size the block in a way that fits the design of your page. A wider layout can help highlight more content, while a smaller block may work better in tighter spaces. Once the block is positioned, click the pencil edit icon on the block frame. This opens the settings for the summary block. Under the Select a Page menu, choose the collection page you want to pull content from. You can connect it to a blog, store, events, or portfolio page, depending on the kind of content you want to feature. This step is important because the summary block will display items directly from that selected collection. After that, adjust the block frame again if needed. Click and stretch the boundary handles so the summary block fits properly within your narrow mobile grid structure. This helps make sure the content looks balanced and readable on smaller screens. It is a good idea to pay attention to spacing here so the block does not feel cramped or oversized when viewed on mobile devices. When everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top left corner to publish your updates. That will apply the changes to your page and make the summary block live. That covers everything you need to know.